Hi friends, in this video let us solve a single system related question asked in the 2012 EC paper. The question is, the unilateral Laplace transform of f of t is 1 by s squared plus s plus 1. The unilateral Laplace transform of t into f of t. So what they ask is, they gave Laplace transform of f of t and they ask Laplace transform of t into f of t. If for f of t Laplace transform is f of s means, then as per the property of Laplace transform, the Laplace transform of t into f of t is minus d by ds f of s. So Laplace transform of f of t is f of s that they have given. So for t into f of t, what I need to do, simply I have to substitute this f of s here and differentiate with respect to s. So 1 by s square plus s plus 1. I have to differentiate. So if I differentiate, it is s square plus s plus 1 whole square. Here s square plus s plus 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1 into, this is UV model, so U by V model, so it is 2s plus 1. So the answer is 2s plus 2s plus 1 divided by s squared plus s plus 1 whole square. So option D is a right answer. Thank you.